I'm going to start today with this little basket and show you how this can be made using a latch hook. You can manage with this latch hook, which is just the normal one that you use for rug hooking, only I use it for teaching crochet. So I'm going to use this smaller version today. It's been made with a polymer clay handle and a needle from a knitting machine. So I'm going to use that. You may have this starter pack here, which has got the base that I'm going to show you how to use that, and we'll get started. Here's a base. Now to get started you need to just push this through one of the holes like that and tie it on. That's probably the best way to get started. So we'll do that first. Just tie an overhand knot like that. And then you need to take your hook into the same hole as you've put your yarn into there, like that. And take the yarn that you're using, not the tail end there, put that out the way. And then you're going to pick up that yarn in your hook like that and bring it through the hole and then yarn over like that. Then you're going to do 5 stitches to get to the next hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. And then hook into the next hole. Put the yarn between the hook at the end there, pull it through, and pull it through the loop on the hook as well. That's a slip stitch. So we're going to carry on and do 5 more chains to make the next chain length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've done the first loop here. We're going into the next hole. And we're doing the same again. And it's quite repetitive. You're going to go all the way around doing this. So there's your slip stitch. And then yarn over and do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do 5 or 6 to get to the next hole. There we go. I think I did 5 that time, 6 that time. We'll do 5 this time. You can choose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. And into the next hole to make a slip stitch. Put the yarn into the hook at the back. Pull it through the loop, the hole. Pull it through the hole and the loop, and then carry on with your next chain length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is latch hook crochet that we're doing here, and these I call bridges. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bridges so far, and you're going to go all the way around making those bridges. Okay, so I've gone all the way around. I'm coming up to the second to last hole here, so we're going to go into this one, push it into that hole, pick up the yarn from the back, bring it through the loop on your hook. That's your slip stitch, and do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, and then go into the first hole that you started with here. And you're going to go into that one again. Bring your loop through to make your slip stitch, and now we're just going to do 3 to go on to the next row. To get up onto the next row, we're going to do 3 chains. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, and then this time, instead of going into holes, we're going to hook under the bridge. Remember I said they were bridges. So we're going to go under the bridge like that. So you've got a loop and a bridge on your hook there. Yarn over, make sure that latch is closed, and bring it under the bridge and through the loop on your hook. and then we go 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there, and we're going to go under this next bridge, under the bridge, hook under the bridge, pick up a loop from the back, there, bring it back under the bridge and through the loop on your hook, and go off again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So far then we've done another loop here, another bridge. So we're going to make another bridge, go under the next bridge here, and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've made another bridge, and we're going to go under this one now. This is the next one. Under the bridge, pick up a loop from the back, bring it through underneath to make your slip stitch, and do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and I'll show you now how many bridges we've made on the top of there. 1, 2, 3. This is our second row, and we're going to go all the way around with that second row of bridges, hooking under, not in the hole this time, but hooking under the next bridge. We've been under that bridge there, so we're going to hook under this next one, and you're going all the way around like that. Now when you've gone all the way around, to finish this row, we're going to go into this small three length hole here that we made on the first row. So we're going to go in there like that, and then you're going to make your next row starting with 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now when we're hooking under the next row of bridges that we made earlier, under we go like that. And you're going to go around, then you can, when you're going to go around again, you can make as many rows as you want, like that. And that's how your nest is going to develop. Here's one that's got 2 colours on it, like that. That makes a nice nest there. Here's one that's got some straw in it, look, and that's another good idea. And this one's had a handle added to it so that it makes like a basket there. And that's after that. This basket, the handle has got wire in it just to make it a little bit stiffer, very thin wire. And you might like to add a little flower to your basket like that. And with this pack you also get some little diamantes. You might want to decorate your basket or your nest with those as well. Okay, so I hope you enjoy making your nest and that you're able to follow these instructions. Bye for now.